Hello, my name is Justice Mullins, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for your Texas payroll tax IDs. This video is going to be super short, sweet, and to the point. So let's jump right in. Texas is a very easy state to set up payroll in. There is no state income tax in Texas. That means you're only going to have to deal with state unemployment tax as it relates to payroll. So a couple things. Payroll taxes are regulated by the Texas Workforce Commission. A lot of times it's, the State Department of Labor. In Texas, that department is known as the Workforce Commission. They have a simple online application, and you'll knock that out, and then you do have to do one additional step because Texas does require that you put your third-party administrator on file. So if you're not the one paying and remitting your payroll taxes, you'll need to put in the person that is, and I'll show you how to do that as well. So it's a two-part, two steps really needed. First step is going to the TWC website with this link here. It's going to be down in the description. You'll click that link, register an account. The second step is going to be to go back, log in, and complete these steps. You'll need to complete Form C-42 in order to authorize your third-party administrator to handle payroll and payroll taxes on your behalf. So this part is very simple. Let's talk through this part here. I'm assuming at this point that you've already knocked out these steps. If not, go ahead and pause this video here, complete the steps, and then come back, and we're going to talk through this next section. So on the C-42 steps, you're going to click this link. Again, I'll have it drop down in the description. You'll click here, you'll log back into your account. Okay, you're going to look for an account info tab. That's the first step. Go in there and look for account info. After you find account info, you're going to look for the quick links menu on the left side of the screen. And then you're going to see a button for third-party authorizations. So go ahead and click on third-party authorizations. And then you're going to see another button toward the bottom that says complete C-42 authorization. Okay, this opens up a form wizard. You're going to click business owner, and then you're going to go down and complete the information on that screen. Okay, you're going to get to a section that asks for grantee information. The grantee is the person that you're granting third-party administrative power. Okay, and so if you're using a payroll company, you're going to type the name of that payroll company, and then you'll enter the legal address of their tax services department. This is you, the business owner, giving this third-party company permission to handle payroll taxes on your behalf. Okay, after you put in that company's information, you're going to sign and grant access to that company. After you do this, it's going to prompt you to DocuSign the document. So you'll click this little yellow button on a couple different pages, and then it's going to tell you that it's complete. You're going to get an email, and that email is going to have two PDFs, and you'll need to give those two PDFs to your payroll provider. That's what they'll need in order to set up your account. So if you have any questions with this, reach out to me directly. I will leave the link to my calendar down below. Leave some notes if you can. If you do need help and you do reach out, leave some notes in there so I know who you are, where you came from, and what you need. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Take care.